Good morning, my class children. In previous class, we completed 3A on algebraic formula a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b plus c whole square not given, a plus b whole cube given. In this exercise 3B, now we are using a plus b whole squares. And after application of that only, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b plus c whole square, we take on 3a. Now, on the same formula, we are doing few more problems. Number 1, find the value of a square plus b square is equal to, find the value of a square b square when a plus b is equal to 9 and ab equal to 20. First question, first bit. Second bit, p square plus q square find is how much when p minus q equal to 6 and pq is equal to p plus q equal to 14. And third, find mn if m plus n is 8 and mn is equal to m minus n is equal to 2. Fourth, x squared plus 1 by x squared is how much? Is equal to how much? If x plus 1 by x is equal to 3, see, fifth also given x minus 1 by x, find x minus, after completion of the side, a plus b given 9, a into b given 20, a square plus b square. By seeing this expression, we get a square plus b square from a plus b whole square. A cube plus b cube will be get from a plus b whole cube. A power 4 plus b power 4 will be get from a plus b whole power 4. So by seeing this relative we can get idea. Here also p square plus q square and p minus q whole square. Here a plus b given a plus b whole square like that. Like we can get it immediately in the formula idea. So you see, write the formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. We can write in this way also. Sometimes we write 2ab in the middle. See, a square plus 2ab plus b square we write. But we need not write in this problem. Now see, we want this a square plus b square. Plus 2ab will go that side as minus. So see, a plus b whole square minus 2ab is equal to a square plus b square. Very simple. See, plus 2ab will come this side as minus b. Now given a plus b whole square. 9 square minus 2ab. ab means front is equal to a square plus b square. So 9 square is 81 minus 40 is equal to a square plus b square. Therefore, a square plus b square is equal to 81 minus 40, 41, like this. Very simple. Simply you expand the formula, substitute the values. Now, why we are not using a plus b whole cube? Because asking a square plus b square. So we have to apply immediately a plus b whole square. Here also asking p square plus q square, given p minus q whole square. So write p square p minus q whole square, formula p square plus q square minus 2pq we get. Asking p square plus q square. So what is there? Minus 2pq is there. You send it this term left side. P minus q whole square plus 2pq is equal to p square plus q square. P minus q value given 6 square. Pq value given this is not the formula because pq not given, p plus q given. So this formula. That's easy. P square plus q square as well. This is different. Some of these squares you have to use other formula, this formula. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 of a square plus b square. So here p plus q whole square plus p minus q whole square is equal to 2 of p square plus q square. Now p plus q whole square given value 14 square plus p minus q given 6 square is equal to 2 of p square plus q square. 14 the 196 plus 6 square 36 is equal to 2 of p square plus q square. Add 6 12 9 4 30 232 is equal to 2 of p square plus q square. So he is asking only p square q square. This into 2 will come left side as by. Therefore, p square plus q square is equal to 232 by 2. That is 206. Like it's important. Using this formula. Third one, mn asking. M plus n given. Subtract. Formula a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab formula. Here terms are given a minus m plus n. M plus n whole square minus m minus n whole square is equal to 4mn formula. Now m plus n value given 8. So 8 square minus m minus n whole square 2 square is equal to 4mn. 8 square is 64, 2 square is 4 is equal to 4mn. 60 is equal to 4mn. We want only mn. Mn is equal to into 4 will go that side as by. So 50. Answer is 50. Like it's very important. Second and third different way given. And this is x square plus 1 by x square. Directly expand x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x. Here x cancels plus 2 only remains. Plus 2 will come this side as minus. So x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 is equal to x square plus 1 by x square. See, x plus 1 by x given 3. Substitute the value 3 squared minus 2 is equal to x squared plus 1 by x squared. 3 squared is 9 minus 2 is equal to this much x squared plus 1 plus. Therefore, x squared plus 1 by x squared is equal to 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. And one more is there. I explain. 5th one, x minus 1 by x equal to how much asking? Given is x squared minus 1 by x squared is equal to 5. X minus 1 by x and x squared minus 1 by x squared. If x plus 1 by x equal to root 5 given. See, first of all, we have to expand it. X plus 1 by x whole squared is equal to x squared plus 1 by x squared plus 2. Now this value given root 5. Root 5 squared is equal to x squared plus 1 by x squared plus 2. Plus 2 will come this side as minus. Root 5 squared is 5. 5 minus 2 is equal to x squared plus 1 by x squared. Therefore, x squared plus 1 by x squared is equal to 5 minus 2, 3. X squared plus 1 by x squared is 3. Now, by using this, we have to find x minus 1 by x. X minus 1 by x whole squared is equal to x squared plus 1 by x squared minus 2. X squared plus 1 by x squared value is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So x squared, x minus 1 by x is equal to, and the root of 1 is equal to 1. Second time, this is first answer. Second answer, x squared minus 1 by x squared is equal to x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x value we know 3. X plus 1 by x value given root 5, and this is x minus 1 is 1. So answer is root 5. Okay. We get one problem. Children, practice. Practice all these. 747. What is our second four? Mm. So x squared 1 by x squared and also x plus 1. So fifth one 5. So to practice, to be thorough with formulae,